To set up different units of measure, we first have to set the preference to accept multiple unit of measures. We'll go to the unit of measure in the company preferences, and here's where you define each unit of measure that you sell your product by. You can add more unit of measures. You can remove them by clicking on and highlighting the unit of measure and then choose remove. You can move your different units of measure so that they show in different places on your item sheet. And here is where you would check that you want to be able to set up multiple units of measure for inventory, non-inventory, and service items. Once you're finished with that, click Save. We'll go to the item list. Let's just edit one of the items. Here you can see this looks a little bit different than before. Before it just had unit of measure. Now it shows base unit of measure. Here is where we specify the base unit for the item in the base unit field. Select from the units defined in the preferences. So if we click on this down arrow, it will show us all the preferences that we had set up. We will choose each. It is strongly recommended you make the smallest unit in which you buy or sell the item the base unit. This helps avoid fractional calculations. Other information entered on the main item form should be for your base unit. Next, we'll click the Units button. The Units of Measure window is open. We will start by entering in the unit of measure underneath the base unit of measure. With the unit of measure 1, we will purchase by the case. We can also put any UPC information or alternate lookup information in these boxes. How many base units are there for this unit? There's 12. And we can put the regular price in here too. We'll put 2,000. And it shows a quantity of hand of 8. You can do that for another unit of measure all the way up to 3 units of measure. Then you need to go back to the top of the window, and we usually order by the case. We can enter new order cost now or keep our current order cost. We'll just keep it at 0. The unit that I usually sell by is each. Select Close to return to the main item form, and then you can fill out any other information in the other item fields as necessary, and then choose Save. And that's how you enter multiple units of measure in buying and selling.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.